Hey there, welcome back to Paper Sketch Anime Channel with your inexperienced host, Darsa. Today I'm going to do something different today. Instead of reading straight off from script, I'm just going to talk more in depth about my daily drawing process. As you can see, on the 29th of June, I drew 2 more anatomy figures. Well, based on the references, but it turned out okay, I guess. On the 30th of June, I didn't draw anything because I have like a 12-hour shift, so I was pretty drained out, so I didn't draw anything. So you have to excuse me for that. July 1st, you can see I tried to do a full human anatomy tutorial drawing on the right hand side of the sketchbook. So basically I'm trying to understand basically try to focus more of the lower half of the body, and also did something different that day. I basically tried to ink my drawings to give a more professional vibe, and one of it actually turned out pretty good, I guess. On the 2nd of July, I basically drew another one single drawing only because long day. Don't want to talk about it, but yeah, trying to ink again, and I kind of like the head, but I kind of messed up the body though. I think the body I didn't draw it big enough to, right? Yeah, the body's small. It's not proportionally to the head size though. Yeah, I could probably do more work on that. 3rd of July, I have more time that day, so I basically draw more human anatomy figures study, and only 2 more headshot drawing though. It's not bad, I guess, but I think I still have a long way to go though. So the 4th of July, so I drew 2 drawings, one headshot and the other one's the head with the upper torso area. But I think that didn't quite turn out the way I thought it would be after inking it, so I'm not sure what the problem is, but I think it's probably the upper torso area is not proportionally to the size of the head. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah. 5th of July, I did a full human anatomy drawing based on a YouTube video. Well, it actually turned out pretty good. I actually like it compared to the other figure drawings so far. Yeah, that's pretty good, yeah. And second drawing of that day, I basically applied what I learned on the human anatomy tutorial and tried to apply on it on using a reference photo and trying to redraw it using the tips and points, and it turned out okay, I guess, but well, I think the head's a little bit more work, I think.